Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will Dockerize our initial Golang trading application. It's a very simple process that we can complete in just in a few minutes. As you can see in the previous video, we built a basic Golang layout and query the CoinGecko API to retrieve the 500 most valuable crypto in the market. Now let's execute map RAM. And here we are. The application is running and retrieving the different coin as you can see. Now we're going to create the Docker file and work on it right away. Okay, let's break down the first stage, the build stage. We start with our base image as a builder. This is our foundation. We're using the official Go 125 for image based on Alpine Linux, which is already pretty lightweight. The key here is as builder. We're going to reference in the second stage. Next, we are going to set our working directory inside the container. Any command after this will execute from app folder. Now we copy only our Go module and Go zoom file first. Then run Go mod download. After dependencies are downloaded, we copy the ref of our source code. And now the build command and put it inside on the app folder, the native executable. And finally, guys, we set the entry point to execute our application. Now we're going to check the Docker image that we have in our local computer. As you can see, we don't have any image at the moment. Also, I am checking that there is no any container running in our system now. Now we're going to build our image. For that, I am going to use this command. I usually use the nocache parameter to build the image from scratch. Our image Cryptoveru with the tab latest was created successful. But we are having a problem. As you can see, the size of the image is around 600 MB. It's so bigger. Besides, we are using an Alpine image. So we are execute our container to see that everything is good right now. I am using env file as a parameter to pass all the variables that our trading bot needed to work properly. So voila, as you see, our application is running in a Docker container. Everything is running properly. So as you can see, we're currently using an .mv file to pass environment variable and secret to our container. But this isn't the best practice. In the future, I plan to explain how to deploy our trading bot in a Kubernetes cluster. When that day comes, I'll show you the best practices and we'll be using a secret manager such as Vault or Amazon Web Service Secret Manager to handle secret securely. Now let's talk about the final stage or secure production image. If you want to learn more about Google Distroless image, I've added the official GitHub repository in the description of the video. In this stage, we include only the runtime dependencies that our application actually needs. The image is extremely minimal. There's no shell, no bash, no package manager, no editor, and no interactive console. The same that before. We are using app as a working directory inside the container. And now we are copying from the builder stage the executable and we create in the first step. This means that in the second stage, we are referencing the alias name, in this case, builder, but it could be anything that you want. Now, in this line, we are setting the user and the group for the container. This isn't strictly necessary when using the image, because Distroless already runs as a non-home user by default, but it still considered a good practice to define the user explicitly just to make your intention clear and keep the Docker file easy to understand. And something similar happened with the expose keyword. It's not required for the container to work, but it's helpful because it documents which port the application is expected to use. Now we're going to build the image, and as you can see, the build was successful. Let's check the size of the image. That is good. Our final production image is around 16 megabytes. Let's execute our container and see that everything worked properly. Oh, the echo happened because there is a container running with the same name. Let's do delete it and run again. And as you can see, our trading bot is querying the CoinGecko API without any problem, and our production image is very small.